Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Rolland Reash Plumbing, a great American family business in Jacksonville, Florida, with a long history of outstanding customer reviews. If you need a great plumbing company on speed dial, and who doesn't, watch this story. Congratulations to Rolland Reash and the incredible team that Rolland values so much at Rolland Reash Plumbing on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and workmanship every single day for about 20 years now. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Rolland Reash Plumbing. This company does all kinds of plumbing and bathroom remodeling work, sewer lines, residential and commercial, you name it, they do it. They have real 24/7 emergency service. They don't just say they have it, they do it. The team at Rolland Reash Plumbing is known for staying on the cutting edge of all the newest fixtures and products out there in the plumbing world. They've done some stunning work in some of the most beautiful homes in this part of Florida over the years. If you want an awesome new tub or sink or faucet or tankless water heater, Rolland Reash and the team is the name to call. Rolland is a great guy. He started this company from nothing. He worked night and day to take care of his customers, and the business has grown literally since day one. Today, Rolland Reash has over 20 trucks on the road every single day and a great team of very experienced plumbers who are well known for very high quality work and outstanding customer satisfaction. Rolland Reash works on all brands. They use lots of high quality names such as A.O. Smith, which makes some of the best water heaters in the world. Rolland Reash is Google guaranteed. They're a winner of the Bold City Best Plumbing Award. But at Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and recent reviews from real clients. Remember, we didn't tell Rolland or anyone at this company we were doing this video. The reviews about Rolland Reash Plumbing on every credible review site out there are simply fantastic. Customers rave about the entire experience, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Rolland Reash Plumbing every single day. These are good people who you can trust. They'd never sell you something you don't need. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The team at Rolland Reash Plumbing has given back to many people and organizations over the years. They're always looking for ways to help. They give discounts to active military, police, firefighters, teachers, senior citizens. You get the idea. We love it. Congratulations to everyone at Rolland Reash Plumbing, where quality and experience count, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.